Good evening. This is one of the biggest flagship outlets we have opened in Esplanade Mall. This is one of the biggest salons in whole Odisha. More than 5,000 square feet. हमारे पास यहाँ पे सारी सर्विसेज हैं, मेकअप है, ब्यूटी, हेयर एंड स्कैल्प इंस्टीट्यूट है कैरिसा से, थैल्गो का मैरीन फेशियल्स हैं, पेडिक्योर है, नेल आर्ट है. वी हैव सेपरेट बार्बर शॉप ऑल्सो, वी हैव सेपरेट कलर बार एज वेल. तो ये हमने एक पूरा एटमोसफेयर बनाया है टू क्रिएट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द क्लाइंट्स. Because the clients of Odisha really deserve it, and they are very well traveled. So they really wanted something, and we got a very good response when we had a small outlet upstairs. So that's why we created a landmark location and the flagship location out here on the ground floor. So
before in this Esplanade.
yes, so we so we have increased the services, we have increased the number of chairs as well, and increased the size as well. So we totally increase the experience only for the clients. So we look forward for clients to come and visit us, and they can experience one of the best world-class services.
With this new store, people will get add-on services here?
Yes, from nails, from makeup, we have a separate makeup section, skin section, manicure, pedicure, barber section. So we added a lot of new services in it. So which is never seen in this part of the world.
So what is the opening offer?
We have an opening very good offer. It's a 50,000 cashback which we have started. So they can come and enjoy.
तो बेसिकली आई एम रिद्धिमा, आई हेड मार्केटिंग फॉर गीतांजलि. और हमारा पहले एस्प्लेनाड मॉल में एक छोटा आउटलेट था ऊपर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे. अब जो है हम लोगों ने ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे शिफ्ट किया है बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज पोटेंशियल इन द मार्केट, एंड वी विल बी ओपनिंग 2 to 3 मोर सलॉन्स इन भुवनेश्वर इटसेल्फ, एंड वी विल बी कमिंग विद अकेडमी सून. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो सेपरेट एरिया है मेकअप के लिए, हेयर स्पा के लिए, पेडिक्योर, मैनिक्योर, हेयर स्टेशन, नेल स्टेशन. सो हमने इस बारी ट्राई किया है कि हम एक ऐसा सैलून बनाएं जहाँ पे एक्सक्लूसिवली सारे सेक्शंस डिफरेंट हो, कि मेंस कैन हैव देयर ओन प्राइवेसी, वुमेन कैन हैव देयर ओन प्राइवेसी, एंड देयर आर मल्टीपल रूम्स which are available for your beauty and spa services as well. So we are very hopeful कि this will be a huge success for us, and we are coming up with more salons in Bhubaneswar very soon. Thank you.
What is the pricing actually?
So sir, we cater to all the classes from middle class to upper class. So if you see at our prices, value for money. It's not like we are charging a lot and we are not giving the value. So prices are reasonable for everyone. For say haircut, it is around for men's it's 600, and for women it's 1,200. So and we always have some or the other offers going on. For example, right now we have inaugural offer of 50% cashback, so people can come and enjoy offers. We have value cards where you get value services. You pay a certain amount and you get services more than that. So there are multiple offers, and everyone can come and inquire about the offers. We are also planning for an academy which will be coming very soon for all the hair and makeup courses. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shomili. I just came directly from Kolkata for this amazing launch, and I hope more success to this brand. And Gitanjali, I think it's a very well known brand. It has a very long chain all over India, so I hope the success for this Bhubaneswar store.
What do you want to tell about the Gitanjali?
Gitanjali, I don't think they need an introduction from me. The brand itself is like a brand, so I just hope the new launch is as successful as the store is from all over the world.
I think you are the brand ambassador of Gitanjali.
No, I am not a brand ambassador, but I hope one day I become one. So I'm just an influencer from Kolkata, and I'm here to cover the whole event.
How is going on Gitanjali? How is going on in Kolkata?
I have unfortunately not got the chance to visit Gitanjali from Kolkata, but I have, visited Gitanjali from Delhi, and it's an amazing brand. Like it's posh, it's luxury, the facilities are good, it's amazing. Thank you.
मैनेजर हूँ और भी हमने यहाँ पे न्यू लॉन्च किया है और काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं और हमारे कस्टमर्स को मैं बोलना चाहूँगा हमारे पास काफ़ी अच्छे ऑफर्स भी आ रहे हैं अभी और सभी को अच्छा डिस्काउंट्स ऑफर अभी हम 50% ऑफर भी डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं और मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ हमें एक बार मौका दीजिए। उड़ीसा में हम लोग भी आपको सर्व करना चाहते हैं गीतांजलि की तरफ से। थैंक यू सो मच।